I just want to show you a little bit of the features of how to use Andy and Pursue Networking Extension on LinkedIn. We're going to do a live walkthrough of finding somebody on LinkedIn, saving them to the Pursue Networking database, use Andy to enrich the B2B email, store some relationship context, push them to HubSpot, and you'll see a full end-to-end flow of how you can network on LinkedIn, store data, push it to HubSpot, and have a personalized CRM using free LinkedIn and free HubSpot. So let's do this. So here's what you do. First, find the prospect that you want to network with or just organize yourself. And the first thing you do is to click the black star. When you open the black star, you'll be able to save the prospect to your Pursue Networking database. Now what you can do is you could add them to list. We could also enrich their email. Now we can use the AI to deliver the relationship contacts. Andy, our assistant, is going to help you think through how to personalize the networking conversations. And then what it's also going to do is take all of the information that it receives from the user and think through how do you store prospect memories, which are essentially structured notes, and save them on a prospect level. You'll see that we're automatically creating notes based off the inputs given from the user. So we can get the email address, we can change the status, we can add people to list, organize it all while on LinkedIn. And then at any given time, what we can do is create the prospect in HubSpot. What it's doing is it's automatically, assuming that you've connected your HubSpot to it, creating prospects cards in HubSpot and syncing the data directly to HubSpot. It's taking chat summaries and your memories, making it activity on the prospect level. It's also adding in the email address. So this way you can use HubSpot to immediately email the prospect and also access Andy here to be able to, I want to send him an email wishing him well and letting him know that it would be great to see him soon. So now you can use Andy on HubSpot or on LinkedIn to help you gather your personalized writing criteria. You can copy the message and paste it right into HubSpot, and boom, you're ready to go. The things that we're really trying to help people with is one, attribution from LinkedIn to HubSpot by making it so you're in control of who's getting pushed. We're also helping with sales compliance to make sure that things are getting updated into HubSpot. So we're giving you a data layer to be able to import your information and have it auto sync. So now what you can do is press auto sync. And not only did we push it to HubSpot, but now we're auto syncing it. So any single time you update the prospect on LinkedIn or in your mobile device, it's automatically going to make its way into your HubSpot contacts. And then we're also having the AI help you with personalized writing based off the prospect memories. So there's a lot of features that we're building in to help streamline the networking, updating, context gathering, leveraging LinkedIn and HubSpot. And that's essentially what a simplified walkthrough is, some of the features that we're using to kind of have a smart data layer extension to use around LinkedIn and HubSpot.